Most people only use one bank account, and that's why they struggle with money. In 2025, having just one account makes it almost impossible to manage spending, saving, and investing. In this video, I'll show you the 5 bank accounts you need this year to grow your money and take control of your finances. Trust me, by the end, you'll never look at your bank accounts the same way again. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is John and I talk all things personal finance, from saving money smarter to investing for the future. If that sounds helpful, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my weekly videos. Alright, let's break down the 5 accounts you need in 2025. Account number 1. Checking account, your spending hub. This is the account most people already have, a standard checking account. But here's the key, your checking account should only be used for spending money you already budgeted for. Think of it as your money headquarters. Bills, groceries, gas, all of that flows in and out of your checking account. What you should not do is mix your savings or investments here. Keep it clean and simple. Account number 2. High Yield Savings Account, Emergency Fund. Next, a high yield savings account. This is where you store your emergency fund, money you don't touch unless life throws you a curveball. Car breaks down? Medical bill? That's what this account is for. In 2025, some high-yield savings accounts are offering over 4% APY, so you're not just saving, you're earning interest while your money sits safe. Account number 3. Brokerage account, investing for wealth. Now we're stepping into wealth-building territory. A brokerage account is where you buy stocks, ETFs, or index funds. This is not retirement money locked away until you're 59. It's flexible. You can invest, grow your wealth, and access the money anytime. If you want financial freedom, you can't skip this account. Account number 4. Retirement account, Roth IRA or 401k. This is the account that your future self will thank you for. A Roth IRA or 401k gives you tax advantages while you invest for retirement. For example, with a Roth IRA, your money grows tax-free, and when you take it out later in life, you don't pay a dime in taxes. Imagine investing just $200 a month at 18, by retirement, you'd have over $1 million. This account is non-negotiable if you want to retire comfortably. Account number 5. Play Money account, guilt-free spending, and here's the one most people skip, a Play Money account. This is where you set aside cash for fun. Vacations, gadgets, dining out, whatever brings you joy. Why? Because if you never budget for fun, you'll end up raiding your savings or racking up debt when you treat yourself. Having a Play account makes spending guilt-free because it's already planned. So let's recap the 5 bank accounts you need in 2025. 1. Checking account, for daily spending. 2. High yield savings, for emergencies. 3. Brokerage account, to build wealth. 4. Retirement account, to retire rich. 5. Play Money account, for guilt-free fun. Most people only have one, but the people who build wealth, they use all 5. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, it really helps this channel grow. Comment below. Which of these accounts do you already have, and which one are you opening this year? I'd love to hear your answers. And don't forget to subscribe. I've got new videos every week on personal finance, investing, and building financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.